It's still windy out there, unfortunately, but the wind will die down as the night goes on. And then tomorrow, most of us getting a nice needed break from the wind. But look, we still have gusts around 26 miles an hour in Worcester, 23-mile-per-hour gusts in Boston Province down. Still pretty windy for you. Temperatures out there, upper 30s, low 40s. It feels like the low to mid 30s, though, factoring in the wind. Tomorrow's going to be cool start, chilly start, but warming up in the afternoon. 7 a.m. 30 degrees, 11 a.m. 45 degrees, 3 o'clock up to 50. Really not bad. 41 degrees at 7 o'clock, mostly sunny skies for tomorrow and less wind. Tomorrow's probably going to be the best day this week because, yes, we do have those chances for rain ahead. Tuesday's looking like a wet day, especially before about 3 o'clock. That's when we're expecting most of the rain. Drying out on Wednesday, and then we are tracking a potential storm as we head into Thanksgiving Day into Black Friday. More on that coming up. All right, if you're going to be up early tomorrow morning, it is going to be a cold one. Overnight lows are going to get down to the upper 20s and low 30s under those clear skies. Wind will finally die down as the night goes on, but tomorrow's not going to be nearly as windy as it was today. I mean, goodness, we got, 30, 40 mile an hour wind gusts today. It was pretty brutal. It made temperatures in the 40s feel like the 30s, not what we want this early on. For tomorrow, less windy, nice and bright, upper 40s, low 50s. The nicest day that we have ahead over the next 7 days. So I really hope you do enjoy it. So overnight, we have the clear skies that always allows the temperature to tumble just a little bit more. As we head into tomorrow afternoon, it's still going to be nice and bright and sunny. And then tomorrow and Tuesday is when we're expecting the rainfall. Yes, we got some recently, which certainly helped, really helped with the brush fire situation. But we actually need a whole lot more when it comes to getting rid of the drought and catching up for the autumn overall. So early in the morning, we're a little isolated showers, I'll call it, but the rain quickly becomes pretty widespread. And then, as you can see, most widespread late morning going into the early afternoon. Doesn't last all day, though. We starts moving up by about 3, 4 o'clock, which, considering the sun sets at like 4:15 these days, it probably will feel like it's raining most of the day. Weather headlines for Thanksgiving. Here are the trends, latest trends. We're still very far out from this event, so a lot can still change as we go into Thanksgiving Day. But as of right now, the biggest trend change, I'd say, over the last 24 hours is this headline right here. Rain for most of us. This is not going to be a blockbuster snowstorm by any means. Yes, there's a chance for some accumulating snow, southern Vermont going into southwestern New Hampshire. For Massachusetts, apart from the Berkshires, of course, for our viewing area in Massachusetts, it's really central Mass, the highest elevations of the northern Worcester Hills that you have a chance for. Most likely a wintry mix, maybe a little bit of snow, but even then accumulations are not right now looking pretty significant at all whatsoever, even if you do see an accumulation, which is still a big question mark. Again, most of us are looking at that rain. And then the other headline is that this is actually going to be ending pretty early on Friday. Here's an example of what could happen on Thanksgiving Day. Whole lot of rain. Northern New England will see some accumulating snow. Northern Worcester County, you could get a little bit of mixing, but generally it's mostly rain for most of us. And then southern Vermont, southwestern New Hampshire has the best chance at that accumulating snow. Until we get there, Monday, bright, less wind. Tuesday, showers but breezy. Dry and breezy Wednesday. Chances for rain on Thanksgiving Day, and then following Black Friday, a cold weekend ahead.